one of the things that we've done recently at our headquarters in South Korea is we've updated our probe tool. And it's PROV, and it's basically the probe tool we've had for years, but with the functionality and everything changing and what we are needing to meet further standardization like ISO 26262 or the full length AUTOSAR standard solution, we basically updated the probe tool to accommodate these specifications and help our customers in meeting what's required of the specifications. The tool generates the outputs and reports and makes it easy to get the certifications and get the product out the door with the proper labels. What we did with vehicle functional safety, as I said, with ISO 26262, they have pointed out a need for an automated tool that detects the amount of resources and violations in a real-time environment. And in multi-core environments, the actual execution time of tasks should be measured for task scheduling optimization. These are the things, again, I'm going to have to keep throwing it back. These are what the standards are requiring as we move forward with functional safety. And what we've done, as I said, incorporated this to do a detection of tasks. We do task execution and time violation detection, and then task allocation and optimization by core. So if you've got a quad core and the communication and timing and so forth, we go in there and see that. And then we have timing measurement factors, et cetera, and turn around and issue the report. And what we've seen is we developed this, of course, because one of our large investors asked us that they were looking at something that needed this optimization and talked to us about incorporating PROV. And we've done this, and we've actually got this in place with 100 seats across automotive customers in South Korea, working with AUTOSAR and working towards functional safety. So again, as I said, what we have is it basically goes in and does a real-time CPU usage inspection, and it does a real-time memory usage inspection. Then it looks at the resource usage and status snapshot graph. It will show you exactly where everything's at in a nice clean format. So it gives you a visual aspect of it. And then it goes in and does an automated a real-time worst case analysis. And we'll show you what the worst case analysis are. And of course, at the end, it gives you the automated generated report that you can go back and review with your management, review with your staff, or submit for the certification processes. This is something, as people move forward with working with AUTOSAR, is the complications of AUTOSAR and the standards and specifications that are needed for AUTOSAR. This basically will go in, does everything that you need automatically for you, and will give you what you need to get the standardizations. Again, why would you look at a tool like this? And we call it's in our secure scroll under the brand of secure scroll. Again, it's the tool PROV. But why are you looking at something like this? Because you need a real-time resource usage monitoring of the vehicle environment. Resource usage monitoring using CAN, CAN-FD, and Ethernet. You be able to monitor all these standards and all these systems and these protocols within the vehicle. You need to go in and do various timing measurement factors. Provide all timing factors that are prescribed by AUTOSAR. AUTOSAR's timing factors are a catalog of requirements that have to be met. It gives you an automatic analysis of the worst case. It provides automatic detection of problematic resource and analyzes in a graph and shows you in worst case. With the graph, it gives you the ability to see everything from a management perspective that doesn't understand the coding developments and et cetera, and you can actually show management how and where the worst case is and where you've done your homework as an engineer to move forward with this. And the requirements for PROV, it's very simple. The target is, of course, C++. and its interfaces CAN, FD, and Ethernet. So the tool is very easy to implement, very easy to incorporate, and sits out and will generate exactly what we need or what the customers are requiring to move forward with AUTOSAR and ISO 26262 and functional safety.